Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to block specific days from booking in Hostinger appointment system. This is my booking or appointment product in Hostinger. If I click on book now and I to check the calendar, as you see, the second week of the February next month, no booking available. So how I did this, it's simple. Just go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and go to websites. Now, next to the Hostinger or next to the website that you want to block specific days from booking on, click on Manage Store button. This way, you will land automatically on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now, to block specific days from booking in Hostinger appointment system, it's simple. Just go to appointments, then go to availability, and here below unavailable times, you can set dates when you are unavailable. Just by clicking on this button, add dates. This window pops up. Here, select the date that you want to block for. For example, let's block the last week of February. Just pick the date like this, and you will see dates and you will see them added here. For example, if they are separated, you will see them like this. If they are next to each other, you will see them in this way. Click on Save. Availability changes, save it successfully. Now, don't forget to hit the Edit website button. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Availability changes, save it successfully. Now, don't forget to hit the Edit website button and to update your website and publish those new unavailable dates. Now that my website is updated, let's check my new appointments calendar. Go to store, open the appointment, book now, and now on the calendar, next February, the last week is unavailable for booking. How to unblock those blocked days? It's simple. Just return to the store management area. Go to appointments, availability again, and here below unavailable dates, you can see the unavailable dates. You can either delete them or unblock them from here by hitting this bin icon, or click first on add dates. You will see the unavailable times calendar. Check the blocked dates and unclick them from here. Now the only blocked days are this Monday and this Friday, and you can see them exactly here. Click on Save and you will update your blocked dates. And this is how to block specific days from booking in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.